Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. Back in December, I reported that NAV Canada had established 8 RPAS Restricted Airspace zones. Well, as of February 20th, 2025, they've added 9 more zones. Let's check out where they are and what they mean. Back in December of 2024, a new class of aviation no-fly zone was established in Canada called an RPAS Restricted Airspace Zone. RPAS, of course, stands for Remotely Piloted Aircraft System, the official term for drones and remote-controlled aircraft. The first batch of 8 zones were around 2 nuclear power stations in Ontario, 5 detention centres in Quebec, and a naval base in Halifax. The 9 new RPAS Restricted Airspace Zones become effective on February 20th, 2025, and they're all around British Columbia detention centres and are in addition to 5 existing Class F restricted zones around other detention centres in the province. As you can see, they're all circles of roughly 1 kilometre in radius. The ceiling for the zones varies from 1,000 feet to 3,300 feet above ground level. Each one has a user agency specified in the Designated Airspace Handbook, or DAH, with a contact number should you have a legitimate reason to fly inside these zones. The Drone Pilot Canada app will show the zones on the map and the contact information as of February 20th, and I'm sure NavDrone and the NRC Drone Site Selection tool will show them as well on or around that date. Note that these RPAS zones will not appear on classic aeronautical publications such as VFR charts. And also remember that the DJI Fly app's geofencing map will not necessarily warn you about these areas. The DJI geofencing system, while it's a great warning tool in some cases, does not align with Canadian RPAS regulations and cannot be relied upon to keep you out of trouble. RPAS restricted airspace zones are virtually the same as Class F restricted airspace, except that they apply only to drones and not to manned aircraft. To fly within the zone, you need authorization from the designated user agency. If you have a good reason to fly in these areas, just call the number and let them know what you're planning on doing. I'm sure in all cases, they'll be happy to grant you access. After all, nobody is calling the warden to ask permission for a drug drop over a prison. So your call will be welcome. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Safe and happy flying.